This is Crypto Kernels. I am your host, Asa Kane. In this video, we will be looking at Celsius. What is Celsius? Celsius is an all-in-one banking and financial services platform for cryptocurrency users. Launched in June of 2018, it offers rewards for depositing cryptocurrency, along with services such as loans and wallet-style payments. Users of the platform receive regular payouts and interest on their holdings. Celsius native token CEL performs a variety of internal functions, including boosting user payouts if used as the payment currency. What makes Celsius unique? Celsius aims to outperform banks at their own game by offering financial services on the kind of terms which traditional financial institutions no longer offer. These include much higher rates of returns on savings and deposits, much easier and fairer loan requirements, and automated rewards computed for each user arithmetically. Penalties and bank-style fees are also waived. The platform also functions as a wallet via its CEL Pay feature, which we can see here, and hosts its own CEL token, which users can leverage to increase payout value, among other things. As a for-profit company, Celsius takes a cut of profit margins on interest payments, still returning 80% to users themselves. The company also lends to institutional entities such as hedge funds. Payments are insured because loans are asset-backed, and any borrower must supply more than 100% of what they borrow in the destination currency. How is the Celsius network secured? Well, Celsius uses a modified proof-of-stake algorithm for its token, while broader security procedures were outlined in a dedicated presentation in June of 2020. Still available on the company's website. As with any client-oriented wallet, the risk of theft from attacks such as SIM swapping is present if users themselves do not have adequate protections in place, such as two-factor authentication. And we can see here how to get started with Celsius. You do have to KYC, which is know your customer, meaning you have to input your ID information because they will be verifying you. Now, the founders of Celsius. Celsius originally came into being as the product of creators Alex Mashinsky, who we're looking at right here, and Daniel Leon in 2017. Mashinsky has a long-run history in the internet development sphere, having worked on the voice-over internet protocol VoIP in the 90s and other technologies since. Celsius is far from Mashinsky's first corporate venture, with 7 startups and 35 patents to his name, the project's official site states. Now, in addition to Mashinsky, co-founder and COO Daniel Leon, meanwhile, has experience focusing on growing early-stage startups. His previous roles include being CEO of Atilis Labs, a social recommendations and discovery app which used real-time user referrals. Celsius now has a large team of core employees, technical developers, and advisors with experience in various spheres. Now, how many CEL tokens are there in circulation? We can see here that Celsius is currently ranked number 57 on CoinMarketCap. This is his market cap, which is currently $1.2 billion. The current price per CEL token is $6.96 as of this video, just under $7. And we can see the maximum supply of CEL tokens that were minted is 695 million. That means there will never be more than 695 million CEL tokens. Currently, in the supply that is circulating, we have 238 million, or roughly 34% of CEL tokens that are in investor hands at this time. So now, the critical qualifying questions. Number one, what does the coin or token do? What purpose does it serve? Number two, what is its market cap? Number three, what is the total token supply? Number four, who's the CEO? Number five, does it have a digital footprint? And lastly, does it have a loyal and active community online? Telegram, Discord, Twitter. These 6 questions must be asked and answered by you each time that you are considering investing in any token or any coin, period. Now, how can I buy Celsius? If you want to get some CEL tokens, you can click on Binance. It will take you right to the link. And the fees are very low. We've included a link in our description. The account is free to sign up for. And also, actually, let me show you here. Let's see. Okay. There's the link for Binance, free account. Sign up. Just include your email and password. It takes 5 minutes. See here. Now, if you've received value and you'd like to get more kernels, hit that subscribe button. Crypto.com, $25 in free crypto just by clicking that link there. It takes you to the site. You enter your email, create a password, make a deposit, and you get $25 in free crypto. We've also included a link for $10 in free Coinbase Bitcoin. Click the link at the bottom in the description. It takes you straight to Coinbase. You sign up for your account. And all you got to do is buy $100 in crypto and you get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. And what other kernels do we have for you guys? Oh, one last thing. Now, this is very important. Anything that you get, you must not leave it on the exchange for an extended amount of time. That is not safe. That is not smart. It doesn't matter which exchange it is. We have a saying, not your keys, not your coins. Because of this, we've included this link to Ledger. Ledger is one of the top manufacturers worldwide in cold storage wallets. They've got several great products to choose from. In this way, you can put all of your coins on your wallet and they are in your possession. The only way that they are truly safe, period. Now, when you do buy your cold storage wallet, it is very important to always buy from an authorized retailer, because if you buy from a third-party seller such as Amazon or eBay, those wallets are pre-owned, meaning someone else has owned them and has access to those keys, meaning that your money can be stolen from you. So you always want to buy directly from the manufacturer, or the authorized reseller, I should say. Now, if you found value in this video, click the subscribe button to make sure that you don't miss out on more crypto kernels. And until next time, get out there and make it happen.